Previously on Mojo's Hot Kitchen, mapema.
We're back. For the samosa people, leo ndio ile day, tuingie jikoni. For the beef samosas, need is minced meat, 3 tablespoons of oil, white onion, leeks, dhania, ginger, green chili, garlic, lemon juice, and a cup of all-purpose flour and salt, and a pan and the meat. So firstly, we will start with our all-purpose flour, 1 cup. Don't be afraid to get messy in the kitchen, as you see how I'm looking right now. Then you add a little bit of oil. This you will do for around 6 to 7 minutes. This is how it looks like. You need to let it relax for, I think, roughly 30 minutes. Yeah. But for me, I'm gonna wait for 29 because this is the home of quick fixes. Kingoja unga yetu ikuwe sawa. Let us go down to cooking the minced meat. We got our pan here. Set your pan on fire. Yeah. Three teaspoons of oil, a pinch of salt. Take your white onions, your green onions, your garlic, your ginger, then mix it all up. And then you take meat here, mix it all up. And here is where you can add your flavor. For me, I'm using lemon juice. Putting it in just a few. Just drop it a little bit. Make sure you spread it all out so that you can have uniformity in samosas. Our pan is ready. You just spread it out. Spread it out evenly. As you can see, the oil is already there, so you don't need to add it. Let it cook for roughly 4 to 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I have already changed color to brown from red. Make sure you rotate the meat so that all the tiny bits of meat can get well cooked. To make sure your dough is not sticky, you can wet the surface of where you're going to make your dough. Just making sure that all the oil is evenly inside the dough. So this is after 30 minutes. We're almost making our samosa. You do into 4 pieces. After this, you have your 4 balls there. So the surface is dry. You have a rolling pin. Take a pinch of flour, sprinkle it nice, roll it over the sprinkled flour. See, now I'm making samosas. Ama mnataka samosa?
Ndio.
Guess what we're gonna do? We're gonna roll it all over again, just to make sure that all the bugs are in the right portion. The reason why I smeared oil in between is to make sure that you get your desired layer. Gonna cut through nicely. It's already coming through. So I'm gonna heat it for roughly, I think you can make another one. I'm gonna heat it for roughly 5 minutes on the pan, so as to separate the layers, and then we can do our samosas. Okay. See what I'm talking about? Now you've got the layers. Just give it a more feel. And I'm gonna take you step by step. So make sure you just keep on turning and twisting.
I got this samosa.
It's called the samosa pocket method. So guys, this is the paste we're going to use to make sure that our samosas are intact after I take you through making of the bags. So, to make the pocket, make sure you bring the left corner to the center, and then bring it up again. There you have your cone. Yeah, so guys, I'm gonna do this again. So take your left hand corner, place it at the center, then fold it just like that. Now for the paste, we will start using the paste here. You just put a little bit of paste so that it can stick. And now we have our what? Tuko na mfuko yetu. We have our mfuko. So quickly, I sprinkled some dhania on top, some raw dhania. Just put your fillings, put the paste, like so. Nice and easy. Bam! Samosas. Hot Mojo's kitchen. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll be frying our samosas. Put them down gently so that you don't get burnt. So 4 nice big juicy samosas. Samosas are ready. As you can see, I've done a little something for you guys. There's some black coffee pale pia because of the weather. Kama kawaida, simwage mate. Ngoja. I've forgotten one thing. If you want this look, yes, Dhania to simwage mate, kindly comment on the comment section. Let me know and we'll organize how you can get one of these out.